So this is a really nice fire ring. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we're going to be doing a review of this fire ring. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So Greg's old fire ring was in need of replacement, as you can see here. So he's assembling this one to replace the old one. Yes, this does need to be assembled, but it really doesn't take that long to put together. Basically, line up the holes, insert the screws and nuts, and in no time, you're going to have a beautiful fire pit. So we picked up the old one and put this one right in the same place. Clearly, it's wintertime here, but this summer we might add some decorative blocks underneath this to make this even nicer. You can see here that this fire pit does have holes around the top of it, and that's going to increase airflow to your fire. I do want to note this is not a smokeless fire pit, but the holes do allow more air to come through, so your wood should burn a little bit more evenly, which can cause less smoke to be produced and make a cleaner fire. Honestly, this is a really great fire ring. You can set it up a bunch of different ways. You can make it look however you want for your backyard. It's made out of metal. It's going to last a really long time, and for now, it's a great replacement to our old rusty fire ring. We recommend this.